After successfully logging in, locate the TrackmyTime app and click on it. You will be navigated to the dashboard. The first thing you should do is add predefined values. Locate the one-time configuration option in the menu bar and click on it, where you can find a list of all predefined values such as priority and so on. Review them and click Submit. You will see a success message indicating that you have done a good job. Now let's add and invite some users. Before that, we need to make sure the user is already in our Zoho One workspace. Go back to the Creator app, find the user report, and click on the Add icon. Fill in the necessary details like email roles and click on Submit. That's it. The user will receive 2 emails. An email will contain a link that will grant access to Creator app. Other will have a link to download TrackmyTime desktop app. If you cannot find any email, please check the spam box. You are only allowed to log in using Zoho SSO for higher security purposes. You will be asked to accept scope to allow the app to sync with Zoho Creator. After successful login, you will be in the app's dashboard, where you can find a list of tasks assigned to you. Click on Start, and the app will start recording the screen. Each start and stop is considered a timesheet here. To view them, find the timesheet option from the menu bar and click on it. Sort them by date, and you can see the newly added logs on the top. It will contain the details of the timesheet. There is a chance you might be assigned to many tasks. If that's the case, no worries, we got you. Just click on the search icon and type the task name. You will see it in the resultant list. Click on it to start tracking. To sync newly added tasks on Zoho Creator, just click on the refresh icon. If everything went well, you will see a success message. Also, it is easy to navigate to the task list in Zoho Creator from this desktop. Find the Go To button next to the refresh icon and click it. That's it. Also, it is really easy to navigate to other reports too. Go to Options and choose Keystroke from the Reports drop-down. Now you will be in the respective report. And if you want to go to Monitoring, it's easy as pie. Go to Options, just click on Monitoring, and here you are. In the dashboard, you can see how many hours you have worked. Next to that, project counts. Click on it to view its details. Finally, we have the most important chart, which is the availability chart. Hover over it to see its details. On the Configuration Settings page, managers can adjust employees' configurations, such as whether you are going to record employees' screens or not.